Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the shopping mall and I'm going to look for jumpers, shirts, hoodies and shoes. I like the colors, bright colors. I like oversized jumpers, but I'd better to look for another style. I think the oversized jumper trend is always here to stay. Autumn is coming and this will come in more styles soon. Parallel neck jumpers or high neck sweaters, they are perfect for autumn and always keep you warm. But honestly, I can't wear them because I always feel discomfort. Colorful plaid shirts, but I had that kind of shirt, so I don't want to buy it. Hair cool skinny jeans to highlight your figure. I'm also looking for a good backpack. It's perfect for outdoor activities. It's made of imitation leather. I'm going to another store. It's a well-known brand in Kazakhstan. As you see, this hoodie with words, but I don't like wearing clothes in yellow, but I guess it suits me. I never had a sweatshirt, a hoodie in blue. Also, blue hoodie suits me better than the yellow one. The hoodie material is soft and comfortable, and it is the right size for me. I'm falling in love with this hoodie. Here are winter boots for men and women on sale. They are so cute and a great option for winter. This denim shirt outfit, but it seems like it's bigger than my size. A shop assistant said that it's an oversized denim shirt. It's definitely baggy and the sleeves are too long.